Alright, so it's the night before I'm about to go on the plane to Florida. I'm about to pack up my bag. I have the suitcase right here, and I think it's, what is this? I don't even know. It's not even my suitcase, but my mom, my brother, and I are gonna try to fit in this suitcase. I don't know how, but that's how my family wants to do it. This bag, funny story, our washer broke, so we had to bring our clothes to the cleaners. So this is not just my clothes. This is my brother's, a little bit of my mom's, and my clothes. So I'm gonna take my clothes out of here, put it in here. My mom said just to like put the clothes inside, don't have to fold it amazingly, but just like try to get it in there. By the way, I am doing this at 10:54 p.m. I'm smart. All of my clothes out of the bag. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do my makeup, and not do my makeup, but like pack up my makeup. I have a little makeup bag I found at Ulta when I desperately went shopping for makeup. I'm gonna add my, what is this thing called? Cleansing water. It takes off your makeup. The makeup wipes and my dirty beauty blender that I might clean when I'm there. By the way, I don't have tons of clothes with me. I'm probably not going to take tons of clothes because when we're there, we're going to get more clothes because we didn't have time to get like summer clothes. We didn't even like do our summer shopping. And I know my voice sounds really deep right now. It's because like I'm kind of tired in the inside, but super excited. And now we're going to move to the bathroom. Okay, so my bathroom doesn't even have the best lighting, but it's fine. I have this little bag. It's from Christmas tree shop, and basically we're just gonna add like my toiletries in here, I guess you could call them. That's what fancy people call them, right? I'm going to add my makeup wipes in here. I'm gonna add all my facial stuff, facial wash, and pimple lotion, you know, the nice stuff. I'll add the toothpaste in here too. Maybe my mom would want the toothpaste in here because we're gonna share it as a family. The toothbrush in here, I have no clue whose that is. I'm adding my toothbrush in here. I found it in the bag, so I'm gonna use it. I do have deodorant in my room and lotion in my room, so we're gonna add those into this bag, and that's gonna be done for like my toiletries. And then we're gonna move on to like my little backpack. I have to bring my school books with me, and so I have to bring my school backpack with me. Here's my school backpack, and I have to carry this with me. I have my books in here. I'm gonna add my phone charger, headphones, a scarf if I'm cold, my chapstick, camera charger, battery, more SD cards. And you guys, I posted on my Snapchat what book I should read on the plane because I have some summer reading books I need to read. You guys, one with Diary of Anne Frank. And I am going to bring index cards because I have some tests I need to study for when I get back. So right now I'm in my mom's room. Ew, my nasty crusty feet. I got my clothes at one section. This is just like pants for my mom. I got my clothes to fit in this tiny little space. There was some stuff I had to let go. We accomplished what we needed to accomplish. I am so tired. I am gonna take a shower after my mom takes a shower. Then I'm going to bed because it is midnight and I am totally ready for bed. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little packing video. Please comment down below if you guys want to see anything else. Like this video if you like it, subscribe if you're new, you know the usual. And I'll see you in another video. Yeah.